Welcome back, friends. Today we're diving deep into the world of our chart patterns. Our unique pattern recognition algorithm outshines any other offering in the market. Furthermore, they come with a lot of features like risk management, real-time alerts and past performance statistics for an extremely comfortable trading experience. Let's dive right in. First up, the TRN rectangle pattern. This pattern represents a period of consolidation where the price moves sideways between parallel support and resistance levels. This is where the rectangular shape of the pattern comes from. It's a signal that the market is indecisive, but a breakout is imminent. A breakout above the resistance signals the end of consolidation and the start of a new uptrend. For a downside breakout, it's exactly the opposite. The pattern gets confirmed with a candle close above resistance. Our indicator instantly sets the take profit and stop loss level for you. The gray line defines your entry price. Furthermore, the risk-reward ratio is displayed above the gray line, together with the quantity you have to buy or sell to fit to your risk. More on that a bit later. The indicator identifies small and large rectangles at the same time. Therefore, you can easily spot short and long-term consolidations. You can fine-tune the settings to your specific needs. Opting for a larger setting allows the indicator to detect bigger, more significant patterns. Conversely, a smaller setting results in shorter, more frequent patterns, perfect for traders looking for quick entries and exits. You also have the flexibility to fine-tune the accuracy of the pattern detection by adjusting the tolerance level. As you can see in the statistic, a higher number results in more detected patterns with lower accuracy. Conversely, opting for a lower tolerance increases accuracy, although it may result in fewer detected patterns. It's all about finding the perfect balance that suits your trading style and preferences. And now let's take a look at the unique premium features that all of our chart patterns offer. They come equipped with an intuitive risk management feature that allows you to specify the percentage of your capital you're willing to risk on each trade. Once set, our indicator calculates the optimal position size based on your risk appetite and the specific pattern stop-loss level, ensuring that you're never overexposed. Stay ahead with our real-time alerts, ensuring you never miss a pattern formation or breakout. Customize alerts for pattern formation, breakout, and confirmation. Simply select Add Alerts on TRN Rectangle to configure your alerts. Then click Create to activate notifications. Your alerts are now set for the current asset and time frame on your TradingView chart. Our Statistics feature provides historical performance data for the detected patterns. We've got two sections, one for bullish patterns and another one for bearish patterns. Now within each section we've got patterns with risk-reward ratios both below and above our predefined value. The statistics shows the total number of detected patterns, how many hit their targets, how many got stopped out, and even the ones that took too long to reach their targets. This way you can see how often a particular pattern has led to a profitable outcome, guiding your trading decisions to only the most effective patterns like this one. Now let's move on to our head and shoulders indicator. The head and shoulders pattern in general is a classic reversal pattern. After an uptrend, it forms two shoulders with a higher head in between. A break below the neckline, the support level connecting the base of the shoulders, marks a potential bearish turn. The pattern gets confirmed with candle close below the neckline. Our indicator plots the lines for the entry, stop loss and take profit level again. TRN SHS also detects inverse head and shoulders patterns, indicating a potential bullish reversal. The pattern is confirmed when the price breaks through and closes above the neckline. Similar to the TRN rectangle, the TRN SHS tool comes preset with a small size for finding short patterns and a larger size for longer patterns. Moving on to TRN harmonics. Harmonic patterns are based on Fibonacci ratios and are used to identify potential reversals or continuations. Our tool simplifies the identification of patterns like Gartley, bat, butterfly, and many more. You can choose between different build and breakout conditions for different trading approaches. Our tool offers 7 options, like for example a MACD or RSI crossing. For maximum effectiveness, we suggest using TRN Bars, Trend plus Signal as your breakout condition. This way, a breakout gets detected when the highly effective TRN Bars change their color or when a signal bar is formed. Once a pattern is confirmed with a signal bar, it's also like adding an extra layer of validation. Check out our tutorial on the TRN Bars indicator to learn all about how to combine them with our chart patterns. You can strengthen the signals of our chart patterns by using our TRN Swings indicator. When a pattern breaks out and our TRN Swings detects a bullish divergence, it adds more credibility to the signal. While it may be more advanced, you can further enhance your accuracy of your trading by validating your stop loss and take profit levels using the swing statistics. Our comprehensive tutorial on TRN Swings covers this technique in detail, guiding you through the process step by step. Now let's take a look at a practical trading example. On the Euro-USD daily chart, TRN Harmonics identified a godly pattern. We used TRN Bars plus trend as our breakout condition, and the breakout was confirmed by a bullish reversal bar from the TRN Bars. This sets the stage for a successful trade. Looking at the pattern statistics, 1 out of 2 bullish godly patterns reached their second target. Taking into account both bullish and bearish patterns, 4 out of 7 godly patterns successfully reached their targets, indicating a positive trend. 3 of them even reached their second target. Given the high risk-reward ratios associated with these patterns, this statistic serves to further confirm the breakout. With a high risk-reward ratio of 4.08, this pattern shows strong potential. Now it's time to set your stop loss and take profit levels. Monitor your trade using the dynamic trend feature of our TRN Bars. Your position is secured as long as we remain above the trend line. To easily identify chart patterns, we provide various market scanners. You can simultaneously search across up to 20 different symbols, and this ensures you to stay updated with real-time alerts to catch every breakout. Stay tuned for an upcoming tutorial dedicated to our market scanners, where we'll dive deep into the details. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on that. That wraps up today's tutorial on our chart patterns. Hope it was helpful to you. Are there any favorite patterns of yours that you'd like to see added to our collection? Let us know in the comments and we'll work on adding them soon. Happy trading!